always see the town I have loved so well, where our school played ball by the gas yard wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going home in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways, in the town that I love so well. In the early morn, the shirt factory horn called the women from Greg and the moor and the bog, while the men on the door played a mother's row, while the children and they trained the dogs. And when times got tough, there was just about enough, and they all saw it through without complaining. For deep inside was a burning pride in the town I have loved so well. There was music there in the dairy air, like a language that we'd understand. And I remember the day that I heard my first pay, when I played in the small pickup band. There I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I was sad to leave it all behind me. For I'd learned about life, and I found me a wife in the town that I loved so well. But when I returned, oh how my eyes were burned to see how a town was brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed out bars and the gas that hangs on every tree. Now the army's installed behind the old gas wall. Barbed wire gets higher and higher. With their tanks and their guns, oh my God, what have they done to the town I have loved so well?